Hi everyone, in this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you run on a treadmill every day. So, watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Let's go. Treadmill benefits. The treadmill has many advantages for the health and beauty. For example, improving the respiratory and cardiovascular systems, accelerating metabolism, normalizing sleep, improving muscle tone, reducing stress, increasing endurance, losing weight from 200 to 800 kcal per workout, and so on. I will talk more about losing weight at the end of this video, so watch it till the end. Why treadmill running is more beneficial than outside running? A logical question arises. Why pay for a treadmill if you can go for a run on the street? The fact is that this sports simulator has a number of advantages over street running. Let's talk about them in more detail. Treadmill workouts are not affected by the weather. Often jogging is disrupted due to rain, snow, dampness, heat, since such weather conditions are not only uncomfortable for sports, but also carry the risk of diseases. Not all athletes live within walking distance of a park or a stadium. The road to the place of training can reduce the motivation for running. Whereas training with a treadmill can begin at any convenient time, treadmills offer better shock absorption than pavement of roads, which means less stress on the ankles and knees. Therefore, the risk of injury is reduced. The most important advantage of a treadmill is its wide range of functionality. The treadmill allows you to choose a training program, the angle of inclination of the running belt, and set up an individual plan. All this increases the efficiency and fun of jogging. Contraindications to treadmill running. Each simulator has a number of contraindications to training. I don't recommend running on a treadmill for diseases of the joints, spine, a number of chronic diseases of the cardiovascular system, circulatory problems, tachycardia and bradycardia, infection and inflammation, intoxication of the body. Before training with a treadmill or with any other sports equipment, we advise you to consult a doctor. So, you don't harm your own health and you will be sure of a positive result of the exercises. We advise you to take a general blood test and make a diagnosis of the heart and blood vessels. Ultrasound, ECG, in many cases, even the presence of diseases doesn't interfere with treadmill activities. All you need to do is adjust your workout routine. For example, with an intervertebral hernia, running is contraindicated, but not walking. How to lose weight on a treadmill? Is it possible to lose weight with a treadmill? Of course yes. Walking and running are weight-bearing exercises. They burn more calories than non-weight-bearing exercise such as on an exercise bike. With simple walking on a treadmill, an athlete is able to burn 200 to 300 kcal per hour. Light running consumes approximately 400 to 500 kcal per hour. If you do it with full dedication, then you can burn even 600 to 800 kilocalories. For comparison, with an exercise bike at the most intense pace, you can lose about 400 to 500 kcal per hour. However, note that the number of calories burned is individual. Calorie loss depends on your weight, age, fitness, medical conditions, and more. The indicated numbers are the average value. For productive workouts on the treadmill, nutrition is important. Exclude fatty and heavy foods. Don't eat less than an hour before and after training. Focus on vegetables and fruits in the diet. Don't forget to restore the water-salt balance after training. What is the difference between a commercial and home treadmill? Should you buy a professional treadmill for home workouts? No, it's not worth it. Professional treadmills are specially designed for intensive use in the gym. They are made from strong and durable materials to work 24/7 without breaking. Because of this, such simulators are heavier and larger in size, and their cost hits the wallet hard. Home treadmill is designed specifically for the conditions of the apartment. It takes up less space and is made from simpler materials. All this is because the load on a home treadmill is much less than on a professional one. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen.